The Italian Village is the newest and many would say the most beautiful village at Beaches Turks and Caicos. Walking around the village while looking at the detailed decor really makes you feel like you are in Italy. Although beautiful, this is going to be one of the most expensive villages at Beaches. The least expensive suite you will find in the Italian Village is the concierge family suite with kids room, starting out at about $700 per person per night. And the most expensive will most likely be the beachfront 2-bedroom walkout butler family suite for about $1,900 per person per night. And if those two suites aren't what you're looking for, don't worry, there are 15 more room types in between those two price levels at the Italian Village. Butler or concierge, 2-bedroom or suite with kids room, ocean view, oceanfront, poolside walkout, oceanfront walkout, you can find the right setup for your family. The suites with kids rooms were designed for families in mind. The kids will be able to relax and play during the day without tripping over their stuff thanks to the bunk beds with trundles, and also they have a closet, sink area, and drawers all to themselves. It is a smart design that makes the most of the available area. With the enormous double sink vanity and separate shower and toilet facilities, the bathroom area is very roomy, and the 2-person jet tub is ideal for adults to unwind. Additional key features which shouldn't be overlooked are separate air conditioners in the main room and kids' room, a sliding door to section off the 2 rooms for privacy, doorbells so you don't hear loud knocking all the time, and a separate toilet area away from the other bathroom facilities for added privacy. Now, real quick, before we discuss more about the Italian Village, my name is Eric, and welcome to my new channel, Palm Leaf Travel. I love the resorts in Mexico and the Caribbean. This channel is all about exploring those resorts. Hopefully, I can provide you with a good idea where to spend your next vacation. Staying at the Italian Village will put you right at the heart of the Beaches Resort. I tell my clients it's possible that the Italian Village is not the ideal option for you if you're searching for a peaceful, quiet stay. Although once you are inside your room with the door closed and the air conditioner on, you won't hear much noise from outside. And also, the pool, which is noisy during the day, is pretty chill and quiet at night. Speaking of the heart of the resort, the Italian Village pool is the most popular, and many people go there for drinking, playing pool games, and having a good time. I would tell you that if you're looking for a peaceful swim, then this is not the village for you. The cabanas and loungers that line the pool fill up rapidly throughout the day. On one side of the pool there is a swim-up bar, and on the other side are hot tubs and a kiddie pool. You will see children's water balloon tosses, line dancing, and water aerobics. For most of the day, there's an upbeat atmosphere that permeates this entire area. 5 out of the 21 restaurants at Beaches Turks and Caicos are at the Italian Village. 4 of those 5 are seated dining, and 1 is a buffet. Mario's Italian Cuisine is the buffet, a huge Italian buffet in a large building open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner with indoor and outdoor seating. Barefoot by the Sea, a seated dining restaurant, is a Caribbean seafood restaurant near the beach and is an indoor-outdoor restaurant, open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. The Cricketers Pub is also seated dining, serving English pub food, open for lunch and until late at night, and is indoor and outdoor seating. If you get the chance, check and see if there is still a popcorn machine with takeout bags in the entryway. Makes for an easy snack if you are just passing by. Dino's Pizzeria is also seated dining, a pizza place inside a large gazebo, open from lunch until early evening. Then the gazebo space is converted into an Indian restaurant for dinner hours, outdoor seating only at the gazebo. And the Bombay Club is the Italian restaurant, open for dinner only, and that is in the gazebo with outdoor seating only. There are 2 outdoor bars in the Italian Village. Kelly's Bar is at the village's entrance. This bar is one of the most convenient and quickest places to get a drink because most people seem to order simple things like beer and wine. The other bar is Trevi's Swim Up Bar, and it's connected to the back of the Italian Village pool. It's a little slower getting drinks because people here tend to get mixed drinks and frozen cocktails. There is one indoor bar, and that is the English-style pub Cricketers. It's a full bar and stays open late. Hopefully I helped you get a sense of the Italian village at Beaches Turks and Caicos. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for a future video on the Mediterranean village.